Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make pasta salad. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Let's go straight into the video. Here I have my pot on the fire. I will add half a liter of water or enough water to cook your pasta. Bring it to a boil. Then I will measure out some pasta into the boiling water. Then cover for like a minute. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar into the pasta and half a teaspoon of salt. Then cover to boil for like 2 minutes. Then I'll add half tablespoon of butter. The butter is to prevent the pasta from sticking together after cooking. Here I have my fish. I'll go ahead and cut the fish into cubes. After cutting the fish, I will marinate the fish with some spices and grill it on a saucepan. Let's check the pasta on the fire. I'll just bring out some pasta, press to check if it is cooked. When it's cooked, I will drain out the water, put in a bowl and set aside. It's cooked now. So go ahead and add some water into my pot again to cook the potato. We need Irish potato that I've cut into cubes. I will add some sugar into it and cook till it is soft. Let's check. It's not yet cooked. In this small bowl, I have my spices to marinate the fish. And in a saucepan, I will add some vegetable oil. Use the brush to brush the oil on the pan. I will use the pan to grill the fish. I will add the fish cubes bit by bit into the pan. Grill this on a low heat. We'll check the potato again, it's cooked. So I will drain the water from the potato, then turn the fish. I'll set the cooked potato aside in a bowl too. You grill the fish till golden brown and crispy. Give it a shake to make sure it does not stick to the pan. Fish is cooked now. I'll grate the carrots and set it aside. In this small bowl, I have some mayonnaise. I will add some milk into it for more creamy and richer taste. Then give it a stir and mix together. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar into the mayonnaise. Give it a mix again till well combined. In this bowl, I have the cooked pasta. Then I have sardine. I'll just mash the sardine a little bit. Then I will add the grated carrot into the pasta. Then the boiled potato. And the sardine. Adding some onions. These onions I soaked in white vinegar for 30 minutes to enhance the taste of the onions. Just give it a stir. Then the mayonnaise mix. Then I'll mix. Mix gently and gradually. I'm adding some parsley flakes. Then chopped boiled eggs. Give it a stir. I'll just mix and mix till well combined. See how creamy it looks, and it sure tastes creamy too. I'll be serving this creamy pasta salad with the grilled fish cubes and some egg slices. All the ingredients I used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. Please try out this recipe and let's know the outcome in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.